Good evening, everybody. This is Christopher Bannon with the National Service here in Slidell, Louisiana, and this is your weekly weather briefing for Sunday, November 22nd. Real quick situation overview. First, great news. Tropics remain mostly quiet across our region. The work week looks to begin on the quiet side as well. We do have the next cold front that will slide into the region. Looks like sometime Wednesday. Could see some showers and a few thunderstorms possible. And if there's anybody traveling, you may see some impacts driving across the area. Thanksgiving Day looks pleasantly quiet across the region. And enjoy the temperatures. Will be a little bit above normal, but can't complain about that too much. And then something we need to keep an eye out for is next weekend, as a rather potent system does move across the central and southern plains, could bring a bout of locally heavy rain and the possibility of some severe weather to the region. This is your tropical weather outlook. Nothing threatening the north central Gulf for the next 5 days, and the only area of interest is a non-tropical low that is off to the northeast of the Bahamas. It's not really expected to develop. They only have a 20% chance of developing in the next 5 days. However, it should become absorbed by a cold front over the next 2 days. Going to the beginning of our work week, as you can see, we do have a cold front that's kind of moving through the area tonight. That cold front will continue to push into the Gulf of Mexico with high pressure dominating much of the central and southeastern United States heading into Tuesday. And then by the time we get to Tuesday evening, we'll see that cold front start to retreat back to the north as a warm front. And you'll see at the end of the slide, and we get right here, you'll see that area of green, that's like Tuesday night time frame. That warm front has pushed north of the area. We'll start seeing moisture return to the region, and that's going to set the stage for some possible showers and a few thunderstorms as we head into Wednesday. So looking ahead at our forecast for much of the week, you can see on Monday pretty sunny skies across the region. Highs are going to mainly be in the mid-upper 60s to possibly low 70s. Lows tomorrow morning should be in the 50s across the region. And then as we move into Tuesday, we'll warm up a little bit. We'll see a few more clouds across the region. Highs should be in the lower to mid 70s across the area. Lows that morning, though, could be in the 40s across most of the region. However, south of Lake Pontchartrain, we'll probably see lows in the lower to mid 50s. And then going into Wednesday, as you can see, the return of a few showers and maybe some isolated thunderstorms. Highs again will be in the mid, maybe even upper 70s across the region. But what you'll see is a big jump up in those lows, as the lows now are in the lower to mid 60s. And then going into Thanksgiving Day, looks pretty quiet. There may be a few clouds out there, but mostly sunny skies. Lows will be a comfortable, range in the mid 50s to lower 60s, and then highs should be in that lower to mid 70s range. Going to next weekend, this is the potential we're watching out for. The latest models do show a very potent system coming across the southern and central plains. That's what is represented by the red arrow. That disturbance will move through the lower and mid-Mississippi Valley, and along with it, we'll see a surface low and cold front push across the lower Mississippi Valley and across the southeastern United States late this weekend. The combination of that upper-level system, the surface system, moisture, and even some possible instability does lead to potential for some locally heavy rain across the region and even the possibility of severe weather. Outside of tropics, it has been relatively quiet from a standpoint of thunderstorms, so this could be our first real bout of that fall severe weather that we always want to keep an eye out for. So as we get later into this week, we should have more information on this, so just kind of keep an eye on the region as we head into next weekend. But it looks mainly possibly early Saturday night, but most likely Sunday, that we could see that potential for locally heavy rain and severe weather. So as we look at our extended temperature forecast in the next 6 to 10 day outlook, you'll see that maybe slightly better chance of below normal temperatures to maybe near normal, or what we would say is like equal chance of above or below normal as we head into the end of November and beginning of December. So let's keep our fingers crossed we can get those below normal temperatures. I know most of the people around the area would like it to actually feel like late fall and winter, but we'll see what happens. I think a lot of this is really going to hinge on that cold front that comes through this weekend. And as we look at that 6 to 10 day rainfall outlook, again, a lot could hinge on that cold front. There is a slightly better chance of seeing above normal rainfall for the region to end the month and to start December off, and near normal, better chance, kind of an equal chance of near normal, above normal, or below normal. There's no real lean one way or the other what we could see, because we look to be kind of in a progressive pattern right now. So a real quick summary of the impacts. Tropics remain mostly quiet, fingers crossed, like that. Work week will begin quiet, however, that next cold front that does move through the region on Wednesday should bring us some showers and a few thunderstorms. That could again lead to some impacts for anybody who is traveling out there. Thanksgiving Day should be rather pleasant across the region. And then we're going to keep an eye on this coming weekend as that cold front and that strong system moves through the central United States. Could bring a bout of locally heavy rain and severe weather to the region. So have a safe and happy Thanksgiving, everybody. Thank you for joining us. If you like this video, go ahead and give us a follow, like on any one of our social media platforms, Facebook, Twitter, or YouTube. And if you didn't like it, go ahead and leave a comment and just let us know what you want us to improve on. Thank you very much.